If you're coming to Istanbul, let me give you a quick tour of my premium king room at Park Hyatt Istanbul Maçka Palace. If you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger and I've been doing these luxury hotel tours for the past 7 years. When you step into the room, this is what you're gonna see. This is like a welcome area with like a shelf there that you can put your like bags or whatever. The bathroom right there. And then if you go to the left is the bedroom. So this is not a suite, however, I feel like it could be a suite because the sheer size of this room. There's the closet space. Like this area right here, like you could put a sofa and become a suite. This is a closet over here. You can open, it lights up. It has all the amenities that you need for your stay. Let's check out the bathroom. It's my favorite. Look at the top over there. Yes. Mirror on the wall. Plenty of mirror. Very plenty. I love these big mirrors that you can do waving by yourself. Wave. All the amenities that they give you, like cotton pads and stuff. They use the Lelabo bergamot, what do you call that thing? Body lotion product. What's cool about this hotel, they actually give you drinking water from the tap. This is actually drinking water. It says quality drinking water right there. So you can drink from here apparently. I don't know if it's advisable, but I guess you could. In here is the toilet. There is a bidet as well. And I love the little tiny sink. There's 2 bathrobe hanging over here. The tub, I will be using that. You can bet money on that. It's quite deep too. Look at that. This is a corner room, so this is the 4th balcony thing you can open, because in the bedroom there's 3. I'll show you later, but like I showed you, this is the 4th one. Like it opens up and you can get fresh air. I mean, there's not much space, that's all you get, but you do get fresh air. And you can see below, there's like a fancy store over there. It's like a residential hood, like an affluent residential hood, so there's like fancy stuff everywhere. This is the shower scene. So what's cool about this room, the front desk guy who did a room tour for me earlier says that it comes with a steamer, like a sauna, that you can press this in 2 minutes. This whole shower scene will be full of steam. I guess it comes from there, maybe? I'm not sure how this whole thing works, but apparently that's what's gonna happen. So it has a shower, handheld, rain shower, and Lelabo Bergamot 22 products. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Here's the bedroom. King size bed. Very spacious. Way bigger than the other fancy hotel that I stayed in Madrid. Look at this. Even give me welcome treats. And that's the minibar. Give me a cart, fresh fruits, nuts, and the best part of all is this rose Turkish delights. Those are amazing. Those are actual rose petals, dried ones that they put around it. Amazing. There's not just one balcony, a small balcony that you can open the window and step outside. There's another one and a third one. You literally can open the balcony and step outside. Not much space, but at least you can come out here and look out of the area. And sing Don't Cry For Me Argentina to your adoring fans. So you can't really see it because it's at night, but I believe that's the Bosphorus, the strait that divides Istanbul into two parts, the Asian part and the European part. It's pretty cool. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the quick tour of my premium king room at Park Hyatt Istanbul Maçka Palace. If you want to see the full tour where I go on every single part of this room and show you, check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe. I will put the full tour of this room on my channel for you later. I am interested to know what you think of this room and whether you want to stay here on your next visit to Istanbul. So let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this room tour, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more luxury room tours like this. I'm actually in the middle of my birthday world tour, so there's more luxury hotels coming, so you don't want to miss any of those. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Last but not least, I am a travel blogger, which means I do have a blog. It's sharetravel.com. I'll put the link in the description and comment section below for you. I have more travel deals, tips and tricks on my blog, so check that out after this video. Till next time, happy travels!